Hello, dear student. Welcome once again to our teaching learning process. So, today we are going to learn a very important topic, that is question tag, which is very easy and very important for the examination point of view also, for the 8th standard, for the 9th standard and for the 10th standard also. Question tag is there for 1 mark. And whenever we want to reassure our sentences, we use question tag in our day-to-day language also. So when we speak English to each other and we want to reassure our sentence, we use question tag. So let's learn how we are going to add the question tag to the given sentences. It's very easy. Just the first sentence, we are student. So first thing we have to do, we are student, write the sentence as it is. The first thing we have to do, write the sentence as it is. I have written the sentence as it is. We are student. Then the next thing we have to do, find out is there any helping verb in the sentence. You know the helping verb? To be, to have, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, but, need, do, did, dare. So find out is there any helping verb? Yes, there is helping verb. So if there is any helping verb, take it and write it after the comma. The next thing we have to do, find out whether the sentence is negative or positive. If the sentence is positive, our tag should be negative. If the sentence is negative, tag should be positive. That means वाक्यामध्ये नॉट नसेल तर आपल्याला नॉट घेणे गरजेचे आहे आणि वाक्यात जर नॉट दिला असेल तर नॉट टॅग मध्ये घ्यायची गरज नाही. There is no negative sentence, negative meaning in the sentence, so we have to use negative in the tag. परंतु लक्षात ठेवा, when we are using the not in the tag, it always come in contracted form, that is aren't. संक्षिप्त रूपात नेहमी त्याला संक्षिप्त रूपात घ्यायचं. And then at last we have to use pronoun for the given subject. Already here pronoun is used, so we have to use same pronoun, aren't we? Question mark. Very simple. The second sentence, Ramesh likes cricket. Okay, so again give the comma. Ramesh likes cricket. Write the sentence as it is. The first thing we have to do. Then comma. If you want to join something, we have to add some few comma. ठीक आहे नाही? आपल्याला सुद्धा दैनंदिन व्यवहारामध्ये नवीन काही गोष्ट ऍड करायची असेल, चिटकवायची असेल, तर काय करतो आपण? few comma लावतो की नाही? तसं क्वेश्चन टॅग ऍड करताना नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं कॉमा असलाच पाहिजे. Without comma, we can't add a question tag. So comma. The next thing I have told you, find out whether there is a helping verb. Is there any helping verb in the sentence? No. जर वाक्यात सहाय्यक नसेल, काय करतो आपण? टू डू कडून ज्या गोष्टी आपल्याकडे नाहीयेत आपण काय करतो? दुसऱ्यांना मागतो की नाही? तसं आपण कोणाला मागायचं मग? टू डू ला. डू, डज किंवा डीड यापैकी योग्य ते रूप आपल्याला या ठिकाणी घ्यायचं वाक्याच्या काळानुसार. काळ कोणता येतं? वर्तमान काळ. येस लावले म्हणजे काय? डज. वाक्यात नॉट आहे का वापरत येतं? नाहीये. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टेड फॉर्म डझंट. करता काय? रमेश मुलगा आहे का मुलगी आहे? मुलगा आहे म्हणून ही, डझंट ही, क्वेश्चन मार्क. In the next sentence, they make us fool. Again write the sentence as it is. The first thing we have to do, to make us fool as it is. Comma. Try to find out whether there is a helping verb. No helping verb. Again they do or does or did. Simple present, so we use do. There is no negative meaning in the sentence, so we have to make the question tag negative. The question is affirmative, sentence is affirmative, so tag should be negative, but again in contracted form. Don't. Subject, take appropriate pronoun for the subject. Already pronoun is there, so they. Question mark. Rani isn't a dull girl. Write down the sentence as it is. Rani isn't a dull girl. Okay. So after writing the sentence as it is, give the comma to add a question tag. Then find out whether there is a helping verb or not. Yes, is helping verb there? Take is. Then try to find out whether the sentence is affirmative or negative. Sentence is already negative, so tag should be affirmative. There is no need to take the not. So is for Rani, take appropriate pronoun काय होईल सी इज सी क्वेश्चन मार्क. So these are the basic rules, basic facts which we have to take into the consideration while changing the sentence into question tag. We often call it tail tag also. आणि मग या 4 वाक्य करत असताना ज्या काही गोष्टी आपल्याला प्राकर्षण लक्षात आल्या काय काय करायचे त्या गोष्टी आपण पुढे लिहिल्या. पाहूयात आपण काय लिहिले. आपण बघा प्रत्येक वाक्य करताना काय लिहिले मी. पहिल्यांदा वाक्य आहे तसे लिहिले. राईट द सेंटेन्स ॲज इट इज. रिटन द सेंटेन्स ॲज इट इज. Give comma to join the tag. Given comma to join the tag. If HV is in, how? If HV is in sentence, take it. HV is in sentence, we have taken it. If not, take do, does, did according to the tense of the sentence. HV is not there, so we have to use do, does, did according to the sentence. So you will use here what? Does. Then next. If the sentence is affirmative, tag should be negative. So use not but in contracted form. That is doesn't, aren't, don't. Okay. Then next, take appropriate pronoun for the subject. We साठी we वापरलं, रमेश साठी he वापरलं, they साठी they will, राणी साठी she, and at last give question mark. So these are the very simple facts. We have to mind it out well. First of all, I am going to read. Write the sentence as it is. Give comma to join the tag. If HV is in sentence, take it. If not, take do, does, did according to the tense of the sentence. If sentence is affirmative, the tag should be negative. So use not but in contracted form. Take appropriate pronoun for the subject. And at last, give the question mark. So with the help of all these facts, now we are going to learn some more sentences. Okay, the first one. We completed our study. I have to write the question tag of this sentence. What? First of all, write the sentence as it is. I have written the sentence as it is. Give comma. I have given the comma. If HV is a sentence, HV आहे वाक्य नाही आहे. मग do, does, did. भूतकाळ आहे म्हणून आपण घेतलं did. Very good. Not आहे का वाक्यात? नाही आहे. संक्षिप्त रूपात didn't आणि we साठी करता सर्वनाम weच वापरायचं आणि शेवटी प्रश्नार्थक चिन्ह. Write the sentence as it is. We have written. Give comma. We have given. If HV is in sentence, take it. If not, take do, does, did. HV is not in sentence. We use did because the sentence is in past tense. The tag is affirmative, so we have to use negative but in contracted form. And take appropriate pronoun for the given subject. We have taken and given question tag at last. So सोपं आहे ना? परंतु यासोबतच काही अपवादात्मक वाक्य सुद्धा आपल्याला बघितली पाहिजे. उदाहरणार्थ जर करता जर देर असेल, देर वॉज अ बिग क्राउड, तर या वाक्याचा टॅग करताना नेहमीप्रमाणे कॉमा. इफ HV is in sentence, yes, there is HV is in sentence. Sentence is affirmative, so we have to make it negative, but with the contracted form. आता या ठिकाणी राम्या सोम्या गोम्या दगड्या दोंड्या यापेक्षा काय आले देर आले. सर्व काय घ्यायचं मग dearest. काय घ्यायचं dearest. Wasn't there. आणखी एक वाक्य आहे. I am a student of English. English language. Okay. काय घ्यायचं वाक्य जशाच तसं लिहिलं. कॉमा दिला. वाक्याचं काय आहे am. नॉट नाही म्हणून नॉट घ्यायचं. पण am इंग्लिश मध्ये येत नाही. It is not appropriate in English, so we have to use for this one aren't I question mark only for this sentence. Aren't I? Mind it well. We have to use aren't I. Again, some sentences are there. Let's pray to God. If the sentence starts with let's, mind it well. Tag, comma, shall we. Shall we? Because let us We shall is already hidden in this sentence, so just we have to use shall we. Let's pray to the God, comma, shall we? Question mark. Let's play game, comma, shall we? Question mark. So sometimes the sentences are in imperative. So what we have to do regarding to the imperative sentence? Very simple. Whatever may be the imperative sentence, give me a main. It is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence starts with main verb, है ना? खाने, मरने, पुरने, जाने, पुसकने, नेने सुरू होता. Main verb नहीं. And whenever there is imperative sentence, our tag should be comma, will, you, question mark. Finish. Okay. Another imperative sentence. Take it easy. Whatever it may be the sentence, what we have to do? Comma, will you. Because in every imperative sentence, there is no subject. कौन घेणार आहे माहित नाही, कोण घेणार आहे माहित नाही, परंतु यू हा करता अपेक्षित धरलेला असतो. So regarding to that you as a subject, we have to use will you. So any imperative sentence, what we have to do? Comma, will you, question mark. For I am, comma, aren't I. For their sentences, we have to use the they are the same. And for another sentences, write the sentence as it is. Find out whether there is a helping verb. If there is no helping verb, we have to take do, does, did according to the tense of the sentence. Simple past tense, so we have to use did. Sentence is affirmative, so tag should be negative, but in the form, contracted form. Didn't, and then use appropriate pronoun for the subject. The pronoun, the subject is also in the pronoun, so we have to do we. Suppose instead of we, the sentence should be there, Ravi completed his work. So what is the change in the sentence? Ravi completed his study. Ravi completed his study. So what will be the change? Didn't. What? He. Okay? So with the help of all these general facts, we can do a lot of subjects. Practice it very well. Write all the facts by your own and take the sentences, practice it, solve them and study them well. Definitely it is very, very easy, and 1 mark you can easily gain with the help of this. We all know practice makes man perfect. And mind it well, like this YouTube video and also subscribe my channel, because after subscription you will get such kind of grammatical exercises to you. Do exercises regularly and get success. Thank you for watching.